Hey fellow drivers, this is William. Let me inform you on what's going on that you may not know about. The individual disability income insurance from Uber. Imagine this. If you couldn't work because of an injury or illness, how would you pay your bills? Scary, right? What I'm going to share with you is like a financial safety net. It replaces part of your income so you can focus on recovery without stressing about money. Let's dive in. Unlike what Uber is offering us a disability, only when we're on the app, while a passenger is in the car or en route to a pickup. But what happens if we're not en route or not on the app with a rider? You got it right. You're not protected. So if you get sick or injured when you're not on the app, your income stops. That's right. No money coming in, it stops. When I found this out that I wasn't covered under Uber, I panicked because one of our fellow drivers got sick and couldn't drive, so his income stopped. This was not good. So I needed to look for something that covers me 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, on and off the app. So when I am working out at home and if I get injured, I will still get a paycheck every week. This is what we all need. If you're between 18 to 60 and still working, you're in. It's that easy. Doesn't matter. Whether you're a computer programmer, a chef, a plumber, hairstylist, or even a Uber or a Lyft driver, there's coverage for you. If you're a W-2 employee, you can get up to $1,500 a week, self-employed or commissioned. Like us, driving Uber or Lyft, we can get up to $1,000 a week. This is how it works. How long do you want coverage? Is it short-term, 13 or 26 weeks, or long-term, 1 or 2 years? When does it kick in? That depends on you. When do you want it to start sending you checks? So let's look at accident and sickness. Benefits, it can start on day 1 or wait 7 to 90 days. If you don't want sickness and opt for accident-only coverage, similar options, but cheaper. Okay, I hear you. It sounded easy. What's the catch? There is no catch. Let me explain. No hassle, no medical exams. Just answer a few health questions. No income verification. They even take your word for it. No pay stubs. Once you're in, and as long as you keep the plan, it's renewable until 65. So lock in your rate and keep it until 75 if you're still working. Let me tell you, this is what's covered. Base perks, total disability. Can't work at all? Get paid. Partial disability. Work part-time? Still get partial pay. Childbirth. Recover from childbirth. You're covered. Waived premiums. If you're disabled, you stop paying premiums. You can opt for additional benefits like these catastrophic disability riders, extra cash if you're severely disabled, guaranteed insurability, increased coverage later without a health check. Opt for return of premium. Get money back if you never use it. You'll love it. Flexible, tailor it to your needs, budget, and lifestyle. Peace of mind. No what ifs keeping you up at night. Simple claims. No fighting with paperwork. Just file and get paid. Quick example. Hey, imagine this. You're driving for Uber or Lyft, making around $80,000 a year. Life's good, right? But then, boom, you break your leg playing tag with the kids in the backyard, or maybe you take a tumble off a ladder while fixing on the house. Now you're stuck on the couch for 3 months, totally unable to work. And since you weren't actively driving or logged into the app when it happened, you're not covered by Uber, Lyft's insurance. Ouch. No income for 3 months? That's scary. So you're without an income for 3 months, but with this plans and the benefits, you can get a weekly benefit for up to $1,500. You have an elimination period of 14 days, so your benefits start on day 15. Total payout $18,000. That's your mortgage, groceries, and car payment covered while you heal. You ask, okay, what do I need to do to protect my income? Pick your plan. How much coverage do you need? If you want extra perks, add riders, and lock it in. It takes a few minutes to protect your income. Even if you're healthy now, this is like buying a helmet before the bike ride. Benefits vary based on what you earn. Let's get you a quote. Call and speak to an agent or hit the link to get started. Don't put this off any longer. Protect your family by protecting your income.